About Goddess MahaKali Mahavidya. Goddess MahaKali sadhanas. Goddess MahaKali is Adya Dasamahavidya is a ferocious and terrible form of Goddess Parvati, the consort of Mahakala, who is none other than Lord Shiva. Goddess MahaKali is the first and foremost Dasamahavidya and most important key role deity, centers the tradition of Mahavidya with her mother nature. Attributes is also a goddess of preservation of nature, sets a perfect example of cosmic dignity, shares her emanated virtue and cosmic powers in varying dimensions to other Mahavidyas to maintain peace and dharma in the universe. Goddess Mahakali is also known as Kalika or Shyama, chief of 10 Tantric Mahavidya goddesses. Mahakali is known as goddess of time, creation, destruction, and power. She is also said to be goddess of night, who is the source of different energies with her eternal want. She is regarded as Shakti, power of Lord Shiva, represents reality, existence, and consciousness. Significance of Sahaja state of yogis, goddess of eternal time and death. Goddess Mahakali is present everywhere in each one's life very significantly with the energies of Sahaja yogis, which as practice everywhere, wherever we are, in whatever form we are doing. She is the primordial Shakti who gives you all the powers, protecting you all the time. If you are in a state of danger, she is there to save you from the incidents. She is a goddess of angel who is behind you. Nothing can go wrong. Worship her with your heart full of love and affection. It need not be for any gain or for any achievement, but only true worship gains her blessings, which are high in power, enrich humanity in you. Goddess Mahakali as Laya Karini. Goddess Mahakali is worshipped as Laya Karini, the mother of causing dissolution of universe, represents natural forms with common attributes, appear dark in hue, wearing a skull garland, naked with a smile and extended tongue, standing on lifeless Lord Shiva. The Linga Purana says, when Lord Shiva asked Goddess Parvati to defeat the demon Daruka, who was blessed with a boon, whom only a female can destroy him, Goddess Parvati merges with Lord Shiva in the form of Goddess Mahakali and destroyed the demon. Goddess Mahakali 12 forms symbols of great purpose. Goddess Mahakali is depicted her duality in the act of killing but with a natural smile. The protruding tongue indicates dignity, modesty, and other form is high thirst for blood. Her disordered hair denotes desire for blood, and other form is metaphysical mystery of death encircles life with a message: I, who am the beauty of the green earth, the bright white moon among the sparkling stars, sky and water, I call upon your soul to arise and come unto me. Her 3 eyes depicts wisdom, her elegant breasts depicts sensual lust, and other form is Mother Nature. Her naked appearance symbolically denotes nature and purity. Her necklace of skull garland, severed heads, and neatly arranged rows of severed arms denotes destroying of demonic force, and other form is tantric energies of creative power and severance from the connection of karma and accumulated deeds. Her posture and stance is with dwell meaning. Right-handed path is denoted as Dakshina Marga Tantra, emphasized by her right foot forward stance, but the less impressive left-handed path is denoted as Vama Marga, is followed by degeneration, loss of physical, mental, and moral qualities. Her right hand depicts positive gestures. Left hand holds weapons. Hold of sword symbolizes knowledge, and other form human head with ego is severed to relieve from the cycle of life and rebirth. Goddess Mahakali Tantra Yoga. Goddess Parvati is the disciple of Lord Shiva's wisdom in the form of tantras. The text and scriptures praise Goddess Mahakali as highest reality of great goddesses of all deities. The tantras of Mahakali are Nirvana Tantra depicts the energy of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva all arise from Goddess Mahakali. Niruttara Tantra means nothing is better or having no better form than Goddess Mahakali depicts three temperaments of Tantric, describe the uses of five directions like north, south, west and east and upper, which relates to three classification Divya, the divine, Veera, the heroism and Pashu, Hardaik. A message by this tantra is which says, without the knowledge of Goddess Shakti, Daksina Kali, who is in the form of all Vidyas, Sarva Vidya Rubini, there is no nirvana, relief from cycle of birth or death. Next is Pichila Tantra narrates that all Mahakali mantras of the Devas, that of Goddess Kalika, is the cosmic standards. Even the poorest can become exemplary through this Tantra. The next is Yogini Tantra. This Vidya Kalika energy is Maha Brahma Vidya, through whom even the worst may attain nirvana, release from the cycle of rebirth or salvation. The next is Kamakya Tantra. The sacred 7 lakh energies of Mahavidya remain hidden, the manifestations of Mahavidya or in divine form. Goddess Mahakali is asserted as an essence of her own divine form Swarupa of the Mahavidya. Vedicfolks Mahakali homam. Goddess Mahakali is the highest state of consciousness, a transcendental experience, is the liberator Mukti Dhayani, and the Kali consciousness is the ultimate. Vedicfolks is performing Mahakali homam to relieve devotees from obstacles and troubles on the path of progress and success, save from loss of business, evil effects, black magic, bless disease-free life, gain knowledge and wisdom, financial stability, awakens spiritual path and kundalini, usher favorable times, mitigate from evil effects of Lord Saturn, bestow courage and strength, fulfill all life desires and success in all endeavors. Goddess Mahakali Mula Mantra chanting. Om Kali Kali Mahakali Kalige Pabaharini Dharmartha Mokshade Devi Narayani Namostude. This mantra chanting is praising Goddess Mahakali as Great Mother, Supreme Goddess, Gracious Mother, who is the revealer of truth. Mahakali, who is with us everywhere all the time, make our path one of the peace and virtue, gives us strength for liberation, self-awareness, awakening our spirit, bless with the energy of Lord Vishnu to achieve prosperity and well-being in life. Goddess Adya Mahakali Mantra, Beach Mantra chant 108 times. On Tuesday morning, if the devotees meditate praying Goddess Mahakali, chanting the Mahakali Mantra for 108 times for 45 days with fasting, awakens the Yoga Shakti, will clear all black magic and evil spirits, incurable disease, prolonged illness, relief from extreme poverty, loss in business, troubles and obstructions in personal life, destroy ignorance, planetary instability, bless financial stability, recovery from pains and sufferings in life, success in our tasks, gain energy of wisdom, knowledge is conceived, bestows with good health, wealth, peace, protection, and courage to fight against evil spirits. Om Hrim Shrim Klim Adya Kalika Parameshwari Swaha. Om Hrim Shrim Klim Adya Kalika Parameshwari Swaha. Om Hrim Shrim Klim Adya Kalika Parameshwari Swaha.
Please subscribe to our Vedicfolks YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.